welcome to this Criss Cross Crash competition. So the rules are simple. 2 cars will launch around this track at the same time, and whoever stays on the track the longest wins. Oh, and our judge today is this baby dinosaur. Do you speak dinosaur? A bit. I think it said its favourite type of pasta is macaroni. Yeah, you don't speak dinosaur, do you? No, I don't. Oh well. Okay everyone, get into your vehicles.
And let's begin. Joker versus Dory up first. Joker's in. Here comes Dory. Oh no, fell off straight away. So the Joker goes through. Batman versus Barricade. Batman's going around well. Here's Barricade. Uh-oh. Ooh, blasted off the track. So well done, Batman. Black Panther versus Woody. Oh! Ah, that was quick. So Woody goes through. Ace versus Rascal Funling. Going well. Uh-oh. Ah, shouldn't have stopped Ace. So Rascal Funling is into the next round. Red Ranger versus Hulk. Hulk got nudged off. Well done, Red Ranger. Buzz versus McQueen. There's Buzz. And there goes McQueen. Wow, you didn't last very long. So Buzz is into the next round. Elsa versus Red. Oh no, Elsa fell off straight away. So sorry, you're out and Red goes through. And Catboy versus Patrick. Catboy slipped off, so Patrick goes through.
So these cars won that round. Who can win again?
Ooh, it's the Joker versus Batman. I'm gonna win. Oh no, you're not. The Joker's fallen. Ow! Ha! Batman always wins. Woody versus Rascal Funling. Rascal Funling fell off, so Woody goes through.
That's right, Dinosaur. There haven't been many crashes today. Wait, I thought you couldn't understand Dinosaur. I understand a little bit.
Red Ranger versus Buzz. Uh-oh. Oh! What? Buzz flipped over, so all Red Ranger had to do was nudge him off the track. But instead, he tried to jump over Buzz, and he didn't make it and crashed off the track. So somehow, Buzz, you go through. And Red versus Patrick. Ah, Patrick fell, so Red is into the next round.
So these are our final 4. Who will make it to our final 2?
Batman versus Woody. Going well. Batman fell, so Woody is our first finalist. But will he be racing against Buzz or Red? Uh-oh. And there he goes, so it's Red into the final as well. Sorry Buzz, it won't be an all Toy Story final today.
So this is it. The final between Woody and Red. 1 race, 1 winner. But who will it be?
They're both in. Oh, and Woody has fallen off the track.
Wow, so today's winner is Red. Well done.